Hello friends, this presentation is all about online industrial training which is to be conducted in summer 2020 and the guidelines given by the MSBT. So content of this presentation is first industrial training, what is the scheme, then MSBT's new guidelines during pandemic COVID-19, how to maintain weekly diary, how to write a report and submit assessment and evaluation scheme. So we will see one by one. What is the scheme of industrial training course? It is of 6 weeks duration and it is compulsory after completion of the 4th semester, which is to be conducted or completed during summer vacation. What is the teaching and examination scheme? So it has total 6 hours of credits. It does not have any theory marks scheme. It is having practical marks examination scheme, which is divided into two parts: progressive assessment 75 marks, end semester examination 75 marks. So total will be 150 marks. But due to COVID-19 pandemic, MSBT has given new guidelines for completing this industrial training course through online mode. So this industrial training mode is conducted completely through online mode. Students shall be allotted with a mentor faculty for their guidance and evaluation of the reports. Students can complete industrial training course with three options. These three options are very important. Option 1. In option 1, student shall virtually or remotely study the profile of a reputed industrial establishment related to his or her diploma program and prepares a detailed report highlighting the vision and mission, quality policy of the industry, etc. So students need not to go physically to the industry for completing this industrial training course, but they can study the company or industry virtually or remotely with the help of internet by visiting the website of the reputed industries. So students need to choose one industry which is related with their program. For example, if mechanical engineering program is there, then the student can choose the company or industry which is related with mechanical engineering. For example, Tata Motors, Bajaj Auto Limited, General Electric. So there are so many reputed companies where student can choose, and student should study the company thoroughly with their websites like their vision, mission, their quality policy, their production areas, their products, number of employees, different things. The report shall also be inclusive of technical details and milestone achievements. Company has to go through certain milestones for their developments. So students have to study their milestones also, how company has developed over the period of time, and again they have to include at least one marquee project executed by the industry. Means any successful project which is installed in the company, that project student have to study. For example, if automobile manufacturing company is there, so new automatic assembly line is successfully installed in that automobile company, so student have to study that new automatic assembly line in that company which is successfully installed, and they have to include the success story of that process technical facts in their reports. Again, in this option 1, here and is given, that means you have to complete this along with this. So in this option 1, student also have to virtually or remotely study any one program specific industrial process through videos available on various educational websites like YouTube or other learning platforms. If we consider mechanical engineering, then there are so many mechanical engineering processes where student can learn these processes, or these processes which are actually carried out in the industry or company. So those processes students have to choose and they have to study those processes. Any kind of process like for forming or casting or molding or machining, any kind of advanced processes, jet machining, extruding, any kind of process they have to study and they have to write a report on that. So to complete all these things, mentor is there. Mentor for the industrial training shall guide students in their virtual remote learning quest. The mentor shall also develop assignments to monitor the progress of students through virtual or remote study and may arrange at least one expert talk online lecture on the areas chosen by the student. So continuously mentor has to guide the students. The mentor may use online learning platforms as Google Classroom, Moodle, etc. for posting study materials and assignments as we have done before. The quantum of work should reflect an effort of 4 weeks duration. So effort should be taken to show that you have done a quantum of work which is reflecting your 4 weeks efforts. What is option 2? Option 2, students may take up any online course or courses from any of the recognized online platforms like NPTEL, work from home options of Internshala, Swayam, or any AICTE recommended e-learning platforms on topics related to their program under the guidance and suggestion from their respective mentors for minimum 4 weeks duration. So there are so many platforms available for e-learning like NPTEL, Swayam. From there, students can choose the topics related to their program and they can complete the set course of 4 weeks duration or maybe more than 4 weeks duration, and finally they will get the certificate and they have to prepare a report on this course completion. What is option 3? In option 3, students may also take up work from home online industrial training and assignments offered by renowned industries such as Tata Motors, L&T, Siemens, Mahindra and Mahindra, Godrej, etc. and delivers the requisite outcome online under the guidance and suggestion from their respective mentors. The quantum of work should reflect an effort of again 4 weeks duration. So here again student can choose any reputed industry. Industries are running certain kind of courses, online courses. So students can complete their courses, or again they are giving assignments. Student can complete assignments given by these companies and students can get certificates of completion. So these are 3 options where student can choose any one of them which is suitable for them, and where students have to study these options online through internet and they have to complete the report. General guidelines which are given by the MSBT. All these activities need to be closely monitored by institutions mentor on a weekly basis. Yes, there is a mentor to monitor these activities. The student has to maintain the industrial training diary as recommended in the industrial training manual, and the progress has to be assessed as per MSBT suggested norms by the mentor. Earlier, MSBT has given guidelines for maintaining the weekly diary for the students where they will note down their daily work, what they are doing, and which was supervised by a industry supervisor. But in now we do not have industry supervisor, so it has to be monitored by the mentor. Students shall prepare an industrial training report consisting of details of all the above components: company profile, online courses, work from home project, assigned by mentor, assigned by mentor or industry. They have to prepare a report. The students shall submit the course completion certificates for industrial training undertaken through option 2 or option 3. In option 2 and option 3, you will get certificate of completion by the industry or by the online e-learning platforms like NPTEL or Swayam. So you have to produce those certificates if you choose option 2 or option 3. The industrial training through any of the suggested three options shall preferably be completed by 31st July 2020 or within 2 months on resuming the academic activities of academic year 2020-21. The assessment of industrial training to be done in two parts. So after completing all these online industrial training course, students have to prepare a report. Students have to prepare a weekly diary, and according to their weekly diary, daily assessment or weekly assessment, and based on their presentation or based on their report and online viva, student will get marks, which is divided into two components: 75 marks internal progressive assessment and 75 marks final presentation viva and report. These 75 marks is to be given by the mentor as per the progress made by the student during industrial training, and these 75 marks is to be given collaboratively by mentor and head of department. So out of 150 marks, student will get the final marks. Now coming to point number 3, how to maintain weekly diary. Earlier guidelines have been given for maintaining the weekly diary. Now students are required to maintain weekly diary here also in online mode also. Mentor is required to assess the work done by students and confirm that diary is updated on daily basis. Students can send snapshots of their updated diary. So student can update their diary on daily basis and they can send the snapshots or pictures or scanned copies of their completed work on daily or weekly diary to their respective mentors for their assessment. Now diary format has been changed at local level. Earlier, let me show you the diary format. Here, weekly diary is maintained for 4 weeks. Earlier, there were 6 weeks. Now, this is the format done for completing your online industrial training. Here, name of program like mechanical engineering or civil engineering or electrical engineering, name of the students, roll number, enrollment number, name of the mentor, name of industry for study, industry which you have chosen, or you can write here online course, work from home, or industrial assignment or industrial course. Duration of training, from where you start and where you are ending your online training. Week 1 from to dates. What is expected in week 1? Study of organization, vision, mission, organization chart, history of organization, its location, product range, annual turnover, number of employees. So general information you have to collect from the website of the company, and on daily basis you have to write the information what you have studied. Here you can do signature and you can send the snapshot of weekly diary at the end of the week to your mentor. Week 2, what is expected? Study of layout and specification of major machines, equipments, raw materials and components used. These expected work can be changed according to the program. So like for computer engineering, it can be changed. For electronics and telecommunication, it can be changed according to their requirement. In week 3, study of program specific industrial process through videos available on various educational platforms, example YouTube. You have to study one specific industrial process which is related to your program. Study of milestone achievements of at least one marquee project executed by the industry, as I have given example of new automated assembly line which is installed in automobile manufacturing company. That is the example. So that project has been successfully implemented. You have to study that project likewise and you have to write the report. Week 5, what you have to do? You have to prepare a report writing in this week. So like this, you have to maintain your weekly diary.